Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, this morning Amy and I are going to take the boat out to do the last of our tests to determine if the problem with the boat is definitely transmission failure or if it is related somehow to the fuel intake of the engine. Before we go out, first I have to change the oil. Then I need to check the coolant. Then I check the transmission fluid. Make sure the seacock is open so water can flow through to cool the engine. And then we're ready to fire her up. It's a nice sunny day. We're going to take it out and do the testing as I mentioned before and check out and see what we need to do with this boat.
So back on the boat and going through some tests again to finish up the determination of what's going on with this engine. Is it the fuel? Is it the transmission? What is it? So we're going to do our last tests on the water here.
Hey everybody, yeah, so we came out on the river and doing a couple last tests to determine what's going on, and now we're going to head back into the slip. I think we have our final assessment. Sailing vessel Yavin to Osprey Marina. Hi Ellie, this is Ben and Amy on sailing vessel Yavin. You can let Brian know that we've done our engine testing and we are ready to come back into the slip. Hey everybody, so we're doing our tests and we got one more test to do and then I'm going to have to just make a decision. You know, I'm not a mechanic, but I'm learning. It's a steep learning curve, but we've been ruling out issues and you know, we want to get things fixed and move on. So we want to keep going. So gonna have to make a decision. This is our last test. So stay tuned.
So the seacock is open and the fuel line is down, so we're good to go.
All right, let me get the glow plug warming. Here we go. For those of you who are interested, you can just pause the video now and you can read the assessment from a person who has the same exact transmission as I do, the same boat and same motor. You can read it now and see what you think. Oh yeah, the sweet sound of a diesel engine, that's working good. That's the idle speed of that 600 it says in the engine manual. and they say that that means that it's the transmission. So what do you think of that?
Is that good news or bad news?
Yeah. So this all Grandpa just did is a test, and I've been told by those that have more mechanical knowledge that if it doesn't slip and do what it did in reverse, it's the transmission because of whatever mechanical reason. So I think our testing is done. I don't really know what else to do. And we want to get things moving, right? We're getting a cold snap here in South Carolina. We want to move south. So we've been moving south eternally. But all right, so here we go. Let's go to the next thing. Let's look at.
Here we go.
Hey everybody, I'm just waiting for Amy to come. She just called that she's about 5 minutes away, so I'm just waiting. She's here. Hey, it's so good to see you. How was your trip?
Wonderful. Good driving.
How was the baby?
Oh, the best.
Say hello to all of your fans that missed you.
Hello.
All right, so I'm here with my honey. She's back from, she left me for another. And I don't blame her for that face, boy. Woo! That's the cutest little baby, but I guess I'm biased, you know.